In this video, I'm going to show you
can
how easily make your Twitter account public. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, so let's get started. And if our stuff up and up to with their app, then tap at your profile picture. Scroll down for a bit and tap at Settings and Support. Then Settings and Privacy, and then Privacy and Safety. You will be taken to this page where at the very top you can easily find Audience and Tagging. And on the next step, if you want to make your Twitter account public, you should turn off the option which is called Protect Your Tweets. Just hit at that feature to turn it off. Because as long as it is turned off, it will only show your tweets to people who follow you. And if it is turned off, anyone will be able to see your tweets, to comment them, to reply them, and all that stuff. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.